Hello students and welcome back to our class on linear equation in one variable. Today we will see exercise 2.5 and 2.6, two sums each. The remaining sums you can do on your own and practice the sums also, and send the answers of the remaining sums to me. Okay, thank you. So we will start with the first one. If you look at the problem here, let me read it for you. It is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5, which is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. You need to identify the equal to sign where it is first, and the left hand side and the right hand side. Now here they are fraction forms. You have to remove the fraction forms by using LCM method. If you look at the numbers, the LCM will be directly 5, 3 and 4. You have to multiply, or we can do the LCM, work it out. We'll take the denominators out. Table of 2, ones are 2. Remember, we have to take prime numbers. Sorry, 1, 5 is not coming. 3, 2 ones are 2. Then 5, ones are 5. We have got 1 on all sides. So I have finished LCM. Let me write it down. LCM is 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. 15 into 4 gives me 60. Okay, so let's go back here and multiply 60 with each of these terms. There are 4 terms. X upon 2 is 1. So I'll write x upon 2 multiplied by 60 minus 1 upon 5 multiplied by 60, which is equal to x upon 3 multiplied by 60 plus 1 upon 4 multiplied by 60. Now you can cancel, cross cancel. Which terms you can cancel? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 0. 5 ones are 5, carry 1, 5 twos are 10. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2 ones are 2 and 15. Okay, now let's write what is remaining. X into 30 will become 30x minus 1 into 12 is 12, which is equal to x into 20 is 20x plus 1 into 15 is 15. Now take the terms of the same type together on the left hand side, that is with the variable, and just the number, the constants, you take on one side, that is the right hand side. So let me write it for you. 30x plus 20 will become minus 20x, which will be equal to 15. 12 is moving on the other side, which has a negative sign, so it will become a positive 12. Let's solve. 30 minus 20 gives you 10x, which is equal to 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 gives us 27. Therefore, now remove the 10 which is multiplied. It will be divided on the other side. You cannot solve further. 27 upon 10 is the answer for the variable. Therefore, we will write the solution is x is equal to 27 upon 10. Let's go to the next one. The next one, let me read the fifth one for you. I'm doing the first and the fifth one for you. 3t minus 2 upon 4, the whole thing is upon 4, minus 2t plus 3 upon 3, which is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. Now look at the problem here. There are 2 terms on top in the numerator, which is upon one denominator. The denominator is shared. Minus 2t plus 3 upon 3. So this whole thing is together. Okay. What we will do is, we will give this 4 which is common to 3t and also to 2. And this 3 is for 2t and 3. So we will just write it down separately. So the solution, 3t upon 4, I will just separate the terms, minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t upon 3. Now remember, there is a mistake always done here. this negative sign is for both the terms, minus 2t also and for this plus 3 also. So you have to multiply. Bracket means multiplication. So minus into plus becomes minus 2t upon 3, and minus into this plus 3, minus into plus becomes minus 3 upon 3, which is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. Okay, we have just given the 4 for each of the term and this 3 for each of the term, but be careful, there is a minus sign, so when you are multiplying you have to check. Okay, now whatever if we can cancel and make the equation smaller, you can do it. Here there is a chance to cancel both this 1 1, 3 ones are 3. Remember there will be a 1 here, and here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this becomes half here. Okay, nothing else can be cancelled. So we'll write down 3t upon 4 minus half minus 2t upon 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. So we have come down to one thing, little smaller equation than what was given to us. Now still there is a fraction form, so we'll go for LCM. LCM will be 4, 2, 3, 3. 4, 2, 3 and 3. 2s are, 1s are, 3, 3. Again 2, 3, 3. 1 and 1. So we have to multiply. LCM is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So this is the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 we have to multiply for all these terms. Okay, let's do it. 3t upon 4 multiplied by 12 minus half multiplied by 12 minus 2t upon 3 multiplied by 12 minus 1. Remember 1 is there, you cannot ignore it. It's in the numerator, which is equal to 2 upon 3 into 12 minus t into 12. Okay. Then cancel what you can cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. So we get 3t into 3. So 3 threes are 9. T minus 6 ones are 6 minus this one here, 4 twos are 8. T minus 1 into 12 is 12, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8 minus t into 12 is 12t. So we got this linear equation now. Now take the numbers on one side and the variables on one side, solve and get the answer. 9t. Now you can solve this. 8t is remaining here, which is equal to this one 12t. Take it on the other side, it will be plus 12t, which is equal to 8, and take these two terms on the other side. Minus 6 will become plus 6 and minus 12 will become plus 12. Now solve. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21 and minus 8. So it comes to 13t. Greater number sign is positive, which is equal to here 12 plus 6 plus 8 comes to 26. Therefore, t is equal to 26 upon 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 36. Therefore, our solution t is equal to 2. Let us begin with exercise 2.6. Here the question, the first one is 8x minus 3 upon 3x, which is equal to 2. Now if you look here, there is a variable in the denominator. What you can do is, you can use the method of transposition and just transfer this 3x which is divided to top, which will be multiplied with 2. Okay, so let's begin. So 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. Okay, then now the variables bring together, but before that, see here, if this is multiplied, so 2 3s is 6x. So let me write 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Now it's become much simpler. So variable take on one side, number on one side. 8x, 6x is a plus here. It will be minus 6x, which is equal to 3. 8 minus 6 gives us 2x, which is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 upon 2. We cannot solve further. This is the solution. So therefore the solution is x is equal to 3 upon 2. Let's go to the next one. Here it's also the same. You cross multiply. What we do is we take this whole term and multiply with this number -4, and this 3 we will give for this one, so that you get a linear equation. So 3 we will multiply with this whole thing. So 3 multiplied by 7y plus 4 into brackets, which is equal to -4. Minus sign is there. Minus 4 multiplied by this whole thing, y plus 2. Now open the bracket using the distributive property, a into b plus c. Okay, so 3 7s are 21 y plus 3 4s are 12, which is equal to -4 into y will give us -4y. Now minus and plus. Minus into plus becomes minus. Be careful of the sign. 4 into 2 is 8. Now take the terms of variable on one side and numbers on one side. So we get here 21y, which is on this side only, and -4y transfer on the other side will become plus 4y, which is equal to -8 remains here, plus 12 will become -12. Then 21 plus 4 gives us 25y, which is equal to 8 plus 12 gives us 20. Sign remains the same. Therefore, y is equal to -20. Remove the 25. It will be divided on this side. Take the table of 5 and divide them. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Then the last part will be, therefore y is equal to -4 upon 5. The solution is y is equal to -4 upon 5. That's it. Thank you, students. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe.